Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before I come into my presentation of my research proposal, I will share screen my research plan template. Okay, let's start. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Fitri Ayu from TBA 4A. I will presentation about my research proposal. Okay, in this occasion, I will explain to you my research plan template. First, from my title of my research. The title of my research is Student Opinion about the use of Google Translate for improved writing skill. Why I choose this one? Because, okay, I will explain in introduction. In this research, I choose this topic because based on observing a phenomenon that occurred around me, I even did that. And I also feel interested in this topic, so I decided to choose this topic for my research. And I believe this research will also have a good impact for us. Yeah. In today's digital era, human life cannot be separated from technology, and you agree, right? Technology is also used in the learning process. One of them is learning English. Many of us, especially students of English teaching department of Yayan Batu Sangkar semester 4, also me, right? Use technology means to help the learning process, one of which is using Google Translate, and therefore I decided to do research on student opinion about the use of Google Translate in the process of learning English for improved writing skills. So, why I choose the topic and what the purpose of this topic? This research have important purpose. Yeah, the purpose of the research is to find out student opinion or perception about using Google Translate for improved writing skill. So we will find out the answer for this statement problem. Yeah, maybe there are have positive or negative perception or opinion about this topic, right? So that's for my introduction, why I choose the topic. Okay, the next is review of related literature that I already did. So for my research, I got two main concepts for my research. Okay, the first one is the first important concept of this research is writing skill. From literature review, I got four relevant theories about this concept that can lead this research because this research will find out student perception for using translate in improved writing skill. It means we must know what the meaning of writing skill, right? That is the important concept. There are this theory that I will try to find out from book or journal. Yeah, especially from book. It is what is writing skill, what is concept of writing skill, what are the type of writing skill, and how to test student writing skill. So from this question or the theories that I will use, I get the answer from many books that I already read, and I write the expert opinion from the book in this page. Okay, you can see, you can read uh, the expert opinion about this important concept. Okay, okay, that's all from my first important concept, and then I will explain about the second important concept for my research. The second important concept for my research is Google Translate. For the research, we must know first what is Google Translate because we want to know right about student opinion in use Google Translate for improving skill. So I got for important theories about what or the important concept. I mean Google Translate. There is what is Google Translate, what are the features, how to use that. Okay, and also what are the advantage of using Google Translate in writing skill. I'm sorry, I have a little bit mistake in here. I will fix it. Okay, but the answer for my theories I got from many journal because I come from book. I can find from book, but not too much. Just 4 or 3 book I can find because I can't I can't find it the book about Google Translate. So it's really difficult for me while I searching about this that book. Okay, you can read from my proposal that I will share. Okay, that's all for from my important concept. So the next one, review of relevant studies. It's mean I already do many research. I mean, I already try to find out many journal. Yeah, in quantitative research, it's called by primary research. Yeah, primary research. It means from journal article or from thesis. Okay, I got the journal more than 15, but I write in here just 15 journal. So in here I wrote the expert opinion about my topic. Yeah, about Google Translate or writing skill. So you can see I wrote in this page more than 1 page. I think you can write it, and I also give citation from the researchers. Yeah, that's all. Okay, the next is about, okay, before I come to methods from relevant studies that I already did, I got the main point that student position in using Google Classroom for learning is very positive. Many benefit and advantage can there got from use Google Translate, and for nowadays, Google Translate too much important for students as a tool for help them in learning language, especially in learning English. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the next is method. Yeah, for my research, for my research type and design. The type of research that I will do in this research is quantitative research, where I will need numerical data to complete my research. For the design of the research, I will use survey because what I will look for this opinion, for example, which I will explain regarding important concept that exists in my research. For the research, I will use tables that can show important data about student perception in using Google Translate for improving skill. Because my research is about finding out student opinion, so I think survey research is more suitable for this research. And for data, I feel that use of data table to show data about my percentage of student opinion, but using Google Translate to improve writing skill. So the next is population and sample. For, for this research, the population is all of member student of IAIN Batu Sangkar, and total of the population is 62 students. Because why I choose this sampling? Because it's more simple and easy, and also because the population not more than 100 students. That's why I choose simple random sampling in this technique. All because in this technique, all member of population have changed to selected as sample for the research. Okay, simple understanding technique, in my opinion, is very suitable for my sample or for sampling selection in my research, because the research I will be doing is a survey. So I need a lot of participants to be my sample, and all of the population in my study and in my research, I'll have uh, the opportunity to be a sample. That's why I use this technique. First, I will list all name of the population. After that, I get the result of the member in my research population only 62 or 3 student, right? So I choose all of population to become my sample in my research. So my sample total is, yeah, 63 or 62 students. Yeah, and for data and instrumentation in this research, I will need data about how much often students use Google Translate for do their assignment, especially writing assignment. So the data will give some figure how much students know about Google Translate and how much they use that. For the instrument of my research, I will use questionnaire that will be filled by all my samples in my research. I just did for use questionnaire for my research because I will survey about student opinion, right? So, and for get information about that, I will ask them for full the questionnaire that I already give to them, and I all member will have different answer because depend of their self. So, that's for my method. And this one, I give reference. I make the reference from my literature review before. That's many search. You can see I got from many journal, also book, also thesis, and I write it in this page in reference page, right? So for make this reference, I use Mendeley application. Yeah, that's really nice because it's make me easy for make reference for my research. So that's all from my presentation about my research proposal. I think many mistake of my proposal research, and I will fix it next time. So thank you for your attention. Thank you for Miss Lita Rinda. So see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.